How to log in Nest. So if you want to log into Nest, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Nest login. Once you search, here you will have login to your Nest account, which is on the first search. Click on that and now it will take you to the login page. So scroll down and here you will have that. So if you want to log into your Nest account, then first you need to enter your username on the first blank. So enter your username, and once you enter your username, here on the next you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgotten username or forgotten password. You can use any one of that so that you can recover your account. But if you already know your password and username, then enter it and then click on I'm not a robot to verify. And after verifying and after entering your username and password, you can click on login. And after clicking on login, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Nest account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Nest account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.